Hey guys, Rad Performance. So we're back on the brush roller hood. So we found you only really want to use brushes, not the roller. The roller creates spots that we had to sand out and had some trouble with. So we knocked it first with 400, 600, then we went to 800, and then we went to 1500. The 4 took out a lot of the bad stuff, and that's how we were able to get it nice and level, flat. We will most likely have to repaint it again because we have some burn through, but overall not bad for only 3 coats. And then we did go fairly aggressive, starting with 400 and multiple passes. So now he's going to buff it, and we're going to see what we're working with. Okay, so you can already see it coming out. Definitely a lot better than what we started with. Yeah, you get some of that mirror finish. Obviously, everything that you're seeing here today is a rinse and repeat process. You have to keep doing it and doing it over and over again. But if you look, this is where we start. Just very crude brush rollering. And then you go to this stage, and 400 is very aggressive, mind you. So if you were to start a little higher, it'd be obviously a little easier. We recommend more coats. We did 3. We're probably gonna end up doing 6. But 400 is going to be very aggressive. So usually you can start higher at a 600 or 800 or even 1,000 depending on your results. And then we went up to 15 here, and then we did the buff. Still a little cloudy, but we're gonna keep going with it. But if you look at the reflection, it's definitely there. So from that to that, and then we'll keep showing you guys as we go along. Okay guys, so we just made his final pass. There are obviously still some imperfections, but if you do give it a good look, you can see that for a brush and roll-on paint job, the reflection is there. You really can't argue with the results from looking at it, especially with what this hood was originally and the amount of sanding and Bondo that's in it. For being a stock hood with a roll-on paint job, you can't argue with it. It's still definitely inside of the experimental stage because these products are not exactly meant to be used in a brush-on or roll-on application. But we will give you more and more updates, and we will take this experiment further and further until the point of where you can get near show car finish. But for right now, doesn't look too bad with what we got so far, but definitely more to come. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let us know any questions, concerns, or anything you'd like to see in the next video for us to talk about. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.